Turn on the system by touching anywhere on the screen. The first source on the panel is VGA laptop. This cord will connect your laptop to the system. Be sure to plug the audio cable into the headphone port on your laptop to be able to hear the audio. The next option on the panel is the HDMI laptop option. If you'd like to connect your laptop to the display source, you must either have an HDMI connection on your laptop or you must use an adapter. Mac adapters will use the Thunderbolt adapter connected to the HDMI cable. Windows machines can either use the HDMI cable or the DisplayPort adapter. Both adapters are labeled for the machine they are compatible with. The third source is the DVD Blu-ray player. This system will obviously play any DVD or Blu-rays that you have. The actual player is located in the podium and is labeled as such. To access the remote, press the DVD/Blu-ray player button and the remote menu will pop up on the panel. The next source is Chromecasting. Chromecasting is most commonly used with Android phones and products, but it can be accessed through iOS devices also. To use Chromecast, you must download the app Google Home onto your phone. Through Google Home, you can display all that is on your phone. It is important to note that you must disconnect your phone before you leave the room to ensure that you're no longer broadcasting. Similar to Chromecasting is the Apple TV option. Apple TV is for users with iOS devices. This will display all that happens on your iOS device. This can be selected for use through Apple AirPlay. Apple TV can also be used to access other video applications and can be controlled with a remote on the system screen. It is very important to disconnect from Apple TV before you leave the room. The projector off button will turn the projector at the front of the room off. The projector screen will also be put away automatically. The projector on button will turn the projector at the front of the room back on and bring down the projector screen automatically. The Pick Mute On option on the panel will stop displaying on all screens, including the TVs and the projector. Finally, Pick Mute Off will resume displaying both TVs and the projector. Another thing to know about this room is that you can put multiple sources on the 3 different screen options. There are 2 ways to send the source, and they both use the same symbol. To send, either click the symbol in the bottom right-hand corner of the panel or the one located in the same box as the source option. Make sure that the source is selected or else you will not be able to send it. In this video, I am sourcing the DVD Blu-ray player to the front projector, using Apple TV on the BrightLink projector, and using Chromecast for the TV. Just make sure you are sending your source to the right screen. There is also a Send to All option to send a single source to all of the screens. The volume control is on the bottom. You can touch the plus or the minus sign on either side of the volume bar to control the volume, but you can also touch the bar directly for a quicker way to turn the volume up and down. The mute button is represented as a gray and black speaker icon. The icon is on the left side of the bar next to the minus sign. You can toggle the mute on and off by pressing on the speaker icon. The controls for the microphone are also on the bottom. To individually control the volumes of the lapel mic and the handheld mic, press the bar on the bottom. This will pull up a menu to individually control the volumes of each microphone. You can also mute both of the microphones by pressing the gray microphone icon at the right of the volume bar. The power button is located on the bottom left side of the panel. Turning off the system is a 2-part process, so ensure that you follow all the directions when turning off the panel. You must first hit the power button. After hitting the power button once, the system should ask you to confirm or cancel the shutdown of the system. After pressing confirm, a countdown should begin as the system starts to shut down. The projector screen should automatically go back up to where it began. Please refrain from starting the system back up immediately after shutdown.